Hi everybody, welcome back to another third grade worksheet Y-Log video. So the first page that we're going to be going over is filling in the blank with a greater than, less than, or equal to sign. And above right here, I explained or wrote how each sign looks like. So first, a greater than sign looks like this. And the less than sign looks like this, and equal to sign looks like this. So make sure that you keep those in mind while we do these problems. So we're first going to start off with number 2, 50 blank 10. So we have to find what is in between right here. And the way you think about it is you think, is 50 bigger than 10? Is it smaller than 10? Or is it the same number equal to 10? And 50 is obviously greater than 10. So 50 is a greater number than 10, so our answer is going to be a greater than sign. Next we have 100 blank 100. 100 blank 100. Is 100 bigger than 100? Is it less than 100? Or is it equal to 100? And we know that 100 and 100 is the same number, so our answer is going to be an equal sign. And the last problem we're going to be doing on this page is number 11. 2 blank 7. Is 2 greater than 7? Or is it bigger than 7? Or is 2 smaller than 7? Or is it equal to 7? And 2 is obviously less than 7, so it's going to be a less than sign. The next page we're going to be doing division, and we're going to be doing number 4, 8, 16, and 20. So we're going to be writing it. So we're going to draw the half division box sign. Remember that the first number goes on the inside, so the 25 goes on the inside, and the second number goes on the outside. 5 does not go into 2, so we move on to the whole next number together. So how many times does 5 go into 25? And 5 goes into 25 5 times, because 5 times 5 is 25, and we subtract 25, and the answer we get is 5. Next, we have 28 divided by 2. The same format. We're going to draw our half box and put the first number in the inside and the second number on the outside. 2 goes into 2 one time, because 2 times 1 is 2. We subtract. Bring down the 8. 2 goes into 8 4 times, because 4 times 2 is 8. We subtract. We get 0, and our answer is 14. Next, we are doing 100 divided by 10. Again, same format. 100, the first number goes in the inside, the second number goes on the outside. 10 does not go into 1, but 10 goes into 10 one time. 10 times 1 is 10. We subtract. We get 0. We bring down the 0. 10 goes into 0 0 times. We subtract, and we get 0. So our answer is going to be 10. Next, we're going to be doing 8 divided by 4. 4 goes into 8 2 times, because 4 times 2 is 8. And we subtract and get 0. So our answer is going to be 2. Next, we are doing multiplication. So let's start by doing number 3, number 8, numbers 14, and yeah. Okay, so 8 times 2, I'm going to be drawing for this problem. I'm going to be drawing 2 sets of 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And if we add all of this up, we are going to get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And the answer we get is 16. Number 8, 6 times 6. 6 times 6 is 36. So for multiplication, like, it's easiest to do it if you memorize it. So make sure to memorize your multiplication table, because drawing it out like I did for number 3 is going to take way too long. So yeah, I recommend you memorize it. And number 14, 2 times 7. 2 times 7 is 14. And now on our last page, we are going to be doing word problems. So let's go do number 2. There are a total of 50 states in the United States. Johnny has been to 29 of them. How many states has he not been to? So if Johnny has been to 50 of the states in the United States, and there's 50 states in the United States, but he's been to 29 of them. We're going to have to subtract 29 to find out how many states he hasn't been to. So if we subtract 50 minus 29, we have to borrow, because you can't subtract 0 minus 9, and we get 1. 10 minus 9 is 1. 4 minus 2 is 2. So Johnny has not been to 21 states. Okay, and let's do number 3. It says Mark buys 4 watermelons from the market. He cuts them into 15 slices each. How many slices of watermelon does he have? So Mark buys 4 watermelons. I'm going to do this problem in a different color so it's easier to see. 1, 2, 3, 4. And it says each watermelon has 15 slices. So we're going to put 15 in these watermelon circles. Oh, you can either do it in 2 methods, 15 plus 15 plus 15 plus 15, or you can just simply multiply 15 times 4. 15 times 4, 5 times 4 is 0, 20, 4 times 1 is 4, plus 2 is 60. If we add this together, 10 plus 5, 15 plus 5, we get 20. 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 1, 6. Our answer either way is the same, and our answer is 60. I'm going to write the answer here, but it's actually for this problem.